Guys, we never get to catch that clip. Yeah man, just run out the goat them and I run back over yard. Funny enough, from there I've been up and all over the place. Yeah man, we're gonna get a few crabs and we say alright, I'll boil some crabs for the yard. Because from the other day, we don't get the opportunity to boil none for ourselves. Yeah man, we just a boil for out the port. Yeah man, but we just run out the goat and as I said, I run back up a yard, check on the crab and stuff. Yeah man, been all over the place and I put together this one for y'all. Yeah man, you know where energy go. Yeah, the day now. What do you chuckle? Trust me, today is just a hot day man. Today hot beyond belief guys. And I sweat like crazy. Yeah man, see pricky over corner there. As I say, him help run out the goats. Yeah man. What happened now? I have an issue with the machine so